Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome. Thank you for spending your Saturday morning with us. I know there are many things happening in the city and that you've chosen us. We feel extremely special. Today we're going to take you on a one-of-a-kind journey. One that goes back in the past with a foothold in the present, or maybe in the future. Glamorous and vintage in equal dose, evoking glorious times in a modern way. 47A Design Gallery, Baro Market, and Avid Learning present Motifs, Materials, and Markers of Art Deco, an experiential workshop exploring the most fashionable design movement beginning in the 20s and flourishing to the 40s. It displayed the amalgamation of different styles and creative environments reflected in the lifestyle of changing society, reigning supreme influence during the periods between the two world wars. Today we look at Art Deco in its various avatars, as a sign of metropolis in its prime, as an architectural flair draped movie theaters, apartment buildings, corporate headquarters, and trendy stores in the 20th century, a style statement of the confident urban middle class that began to flourish and socialize along the bay, and finally a design movement that glorifies modernity that made home in India. Avid Learning's romance with Art Deco is no secret. Enamored by its charm, Avid, since its inception, has treasured the impact of Art Deco motifs and decoded and demystified the people, the places, the faces behind this movement. Over the past decade, we've traced and celebrated this movement through workshops, talks, walks, and series. Today's session is one such effort to look at how Art Deco's influence is omnipresent in the city of Mumbai, stretching beyond architecture of these magnificent buildings into the interiors of our homes, defying the passage of time and transcending traditions. Today's workshop will immerse you in the calm and warmth of Art Deco through insightful presentations by some of Mumbai's biggest experts and connoisseurs of style, including interior architect and curator, Art Deco show at 47A, Kunal Shah, poet and professor, Sir J.J. College of Architecture, Asad Lalljee, creative director, Pavitra Rajaram's design, Pavitra Rajaram, artistic and cultural curator, Srila Chatterjee, writer and publisher, city chronicler, Meher Mafatia. This will be followed by an experiential session at the ongoing Art Deco exhibition at 47A with textile practitioner Hema Shroff Patel and a typographer and type design Tanya George. Now, without further ado, I'd like to invite Kunal Shah, who's going to take you through the origins of Art Deco, sharing his fascination for design, the design style, followed by individual presentations by other experts. Just a quick few housekeeping rules. Meher's books are out there for sale, so please, if you all want to buy a copy, it's actually excellent. I have a copy. After lunch, we'll have one more session, and then we'll all be moving towards Godachivari at about 2:30, I think. So on that note, welcome Kunal.